In this video, we'll be talking about how to write an article using a website from Smallbazaar. So let's go to one of our client website, morethandiet.in. It's a dietitian website owned by Ms. Shikha Mishra. So user can log in inside morethandiet.in website by clicking on this bottom down arrow at bottom left of your screen. You click on it and you are redirected to a login page. Yeah, so now we have entered inside morethandiet.in. So now a user can go to article writer screen by two ways. So let's discuss one after the other. So first way is like you can see this hamburger menu. So you click on it and you will see a section sites and pages. So this is morethandiet.in. This is Facebook page, LinkedIn page, Twitter page. So now our goal is to write an article on morethandiet.in. Yeah, so let's click on it and you can see an article subsection over here and a small plus icon. So once a user clicks on this plus icon, he is taken to this article writer dashboard, right? So this was one of the way, but I would suggest the easiest way to write an article is like you go to this right hand side uh, bottom right button of arrow, you click on it and you can see that there is a section of content over here, right? So you click on this write an article button and you will be taken to this article composer dashboard, right? So yeah, finally let's try writing one of the blog using this interface. So let's start with title first. What should be my blog title? I think I can put how to get thin in 30 days or how to lose weight. That would be more appropriate. Lose 5 kgs in 30 days. Yeah, so that is my blog headline. Let me add few paragraphs over here. Okay, I want to lose it at any cost. Let me add few more paragraphs. So I think this is good for intro. But yeah, how about an image just below this paragraph? Let me upload one. Let me upload this one. Yeah, this might be one of my cousin face when they see me thin. So let me put a title to this image. Cousin reaction on seeing me thin. Let me put this title in the center, title of the image. Let me add few more paragraphs. Okay. Now let me add So I think our blog is getting in a good shape with the headline, intro section, image, a few paragraphs. So how about adding one more image? I think it's fine, but yeah, let's see how it looks. Let's add one more image. Okay. Now let's write one conclusion paragraph. Okay. Conclusion can be. Okay, I am missing C. Okay. Every good things take time. I don't know why I'm writing good thing take time. So Yeah, so that's what we have written our first article using this interface. And the final thing is this button, you can see publish button. So once you click on this publish button, your article will get published on your site. In this case, it is more than die.in, and that's how it was to post an article.